Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share this festive makeup look using all Lakme products paired with the beautiful jewelry which are available on the Lookadora website. And yes, you can follow the Lookadora on Instagram and Facebook too. Share any makeup look and jewelry or any of your favorite makeup look on Instagram tagging Lookadora and get chance to win 3 Colorbar lipstick and a mega hamper with adorable makeup and jewelry. I'll mention all the details down in the description box. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting with the Lakme Peach Moisturizer all over my face and I'm using Lakme Aloe Vera Gel as a primer. Next I'm using this Lakme Invisible Foundation in the shade 04 and blending it nicely with the Damp Beauty Blender. To give the more coverage, I'm applying one more layer on my face. Then I'm using this Lakme concealer in the shade Beige Honey. I've already done my eyebrow offline. Then I'm using the brown color from the Lakme Absolute palette to create the creased line. Next I'm using the golden shimmery color from the Lakme 9 to 5 Quadrat eyeshadow. Next I'm using this Lakme Kajal in the shade Royal Blue to line my upper eyelid. Then this Royal Blue color from the Lakme palette to give the vibrant color just upon the eyeliner. Next I'm using this Lakme eyeliner to line the upper eyelid. A very thin line just to give the dimension. Next I'm using this Lakme Kajal in the shade Turquoise on my waterline. Next I'm using the same brown eyeshadow to contour my face. Full cheekbones, forehead, nose and chin area. Next I'm using the pinkish peachy blush from the Lakme 9 to 5 blusher. And then I'm using Lakme Face Sheer to highlight my cheekbone, nose and forehead and chin area. I forgot to show you I have fixed my face with the Lakme Sunscreen Compact. And then I'm curling the lashes and applying generous amount of mascara from the Lakme Curling Mascara. And at last, to finish the look, I will use this Lakme Enriched Crayon in the shade Shocking Pink. So this is what my final look is. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and whatever products I have used in this video are available on lookadora.com. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe, share and comment. Till then, bye bye, take care.